Hey guys, Levi from the Rag Company, and in today's video, we are talking about the 8x8 Eaglet 500. The Eaglet 500 is very similar to our current lineup of Eagle 500s. The difference is, it's tinier. It's an 8x8, meaning it's a small, simple, easy to carry towel that you can use in all types of situations. Maybe you want to use it to clean your glasses, you can do that. Maybe you want to use it to clean your instrument cluster or gauges and you want to keep a couple in your car, you can do that. Point is, it's still that 70-30 blended microfiber that is so soft. It's also 500 GSM, so it's the perfect sweet spot of comfort and thickness and, well, everything else. The point is, the Eaglet is a great little pairing that's soft, plush, and comfortable. The Eaglet, that's the one you want, the Eaglet 500. Pick up a bag today, try it out for yourself, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.